So at this point, we have a quote, sent it off to them, and we're waiting for their response. I'm also going to do something real quick because I know a lot of you folks are using Excel, things along those lines to build some of your quotes. I'm going to do something real quick and just import a file because, again, this is just global functionality. I'm going to choose my friends over at Outco Paving this time. And on every screen that we're in, you're also going to see the ability to load records from a file or to export it off to a file. So here, what happens is I've got an Excel file where we've done all of our pricing and we've done everything else related to, building it out. So here's my Excel folder. I tell it I want to upload it. I hit OK. This is actually my mapping where it's taking the column from my spreadsheet and it's doing its best to match it to lines that are within my contract. And then I can always access wherever I want on this as well. The good news is it saved this for me. And now all of a sudden, now I've brought this in. And then we haven't talked about files yet, but we're going to do that right now. So now all of a sudden I've got a file. Here's my scaffolding quote. This is my desktop. This is the system out on the web. And this is me dropping and dragging a file directly into the system. This works great throughout the system. It could relate to your subcontractors and their W-9s. It could relate to any of your AP invoices and filing a copy of your AP invoice, your fixed assets. The auditor is always going to look for a copy of the invoice. Any sort of confirmation, any sort of photos. I'll show you more of that as we convert this to an order. A very powerful feature within the system. And you can also see here, I could actually upload something from my mobile. So if I clicked on this right here, it would send me a text message, which I could then automatically take a picture and it'll find its way right back into my contract.